similar to this. What?
There was a snake!
Wow. Hey
Hello
guys.
guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's a sunny afternoon and we are hiking.
Yes, and we are so excited because this is our first evening hike because we had a quite early day, so we decided to go on this hike. It's called the Silver Star Mountain Hike. It comes in the Washington side of the Columbia River Gorge, although we're not like very close to the Columbia River Gorge, but little inwards into the Washington state.
It's so popular. Lately I've been seeing so many Instagram reels and pictures of this hike. I really wanted to go on one.
Yeah, and also we are excited because we wanted to kind of see sunset in one of the hikes, since all of our hikes have usually been in or during the day. So let's hope that we get lucky. Also not too lucky so as to not get back to the parking lot in time, or at least before it gets dark. So yeah, kind of have to rush a little bit, but we'll see. If we can finish this in like 4 hours, that'll be a great achievement, I would say.
And we were so much in a hurry in the beginning and so excited that we thought we were recording, but we were not.
Yeah, I said out a lot of things that I might have to repeat again. So the first 1 mile of the Silver Star Trail is actually where the steepest part is.
No time to catch my breath.
Wow, this is steep. So the Silver Star Mountain is part of the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest. Does this name ring a bell to you guys? It's the same place where we rented a tiny house cabin. It's close to that area. So yeah, maybe you can couple this up, stay in that tiny cabin and do this hike. Or you could also do the Dog Mountain hike, which is close by to that. Still in that first 1 mile. It is kind of brutal, to be honest. A lot of going up. Although I realized one thing, that hiking on a weekday can be advantageous because you don't see a lot of people on the hike. Finally, I think we may have finished the first 1 mile of climb. There she comes.
It's killing my legs.
When does it not?
No, this one's bad. This one's bad, guys.
And look, Sonia has a backpack. A water pack actually.
Yeah, I've had enough of him telling me that you don't carry a backpack.
I don't do the I think the last leg is going to be similar to this. What?
There was a snake. It went there. Guys, look at that snake.
Oh, finally some open area. Look at this. So pretty. I don't know what these flowers are. Do you know what they are?
No. Nobody mentioned on all trails we'll see these. Wow, they're so pretty.
I know, right? Especially when you see them lined up along the sides of the trail. Oh, wow. I see wildflowers. Yellow color mixing with the white color of these big whatever plants. And there's red as well. Amazing. Wow, look at that. Big cliffs. Definitely worth pointing out that on this trail there's a lot of rocks. So you want to be careful of that.
I'm not able to get a good grip with the poles because of the
Yeah.
rocks.
But there are plenty of flowers. And there are plenty of colors, like ranging from yellow, red, purple, white. Roughly 2 miles into the hike. Oh no! Yet another inclination. Feels like this hike only has inclined areas. There's hardly any flat region where you can walk without a worry. And our darling is over here taking rest. Either that or she's pondering whether to finish this or not. Nah, I'm just kidding. She's gonna make it. She's one tough devil. I feel like hiking poles would not be of much use here because there's so much gravel. You would have tough time finding a spot to put your or to nail your hiking poles on the ground. And we are out here in the sunshine again. Just cleaning my shoes.
A patch of snow along the trail.
Alright, so we are almost here, and I was told by a couple of folks here that that is our destination. That is the Silver Mountain Peak. Sorry, Silver Star Mountain. But there's another peak which is right this way, and apparently that offers much more gorgeous views.
No more energy.
I'm sure you'll get some energy after you see this view. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We'll first go to the Silver Star Mountain. Hopefully have something to eat or drink. I haven't had a sip of water till now.
Wow, you must be crazy.
I must be, but am I?
Yes, you are. See, water is just a sip away for me, guys.
That's how it should be. There it is. That is what we're talking about. Yay! Finally here! Look at those beautiful mountains in the back. And there's Mount Hood. Wow. I need to figure out which one's what. But my guess is that is St. Helens. That is Mount Rainier, Mount Adams, and Mount Hood. And I don't know if you can see or not, but I think that there is Mount Jefferson. All 5 mountains in one view. What a beautiful sight. Do you think it's worth it?
Totally.
Alright. So we finished this hike in about 1 hour 40 minutes. We thought we were going to make it earlier, but we couldn't. But even then, I think it was pretty good timing. But can you recognize these mountains?
I can only recognize Mount Hood.
That is pretty obvious. but I'm pretty sure what I know. I know that is Mount Jefferson. That is Mount Hood. As you keep going this way, that is most likely Mount Adams. I don't know. I'm just confused. I think maybe that is Mount Adams. I think that is Mount Adams. That is St. Helens, and somewhere in the middle, right there, is Mount Rainier.
Yeah, that mountain.
Right? All right. What do you want to do now? Dance? Watermelon at Silver Star Mountain.
And on viewers' demand, sandwiches are back on the table.
And this time the sandwiches are not for lunch, it's for dinner.
This is for S, Sonia, and that's for D, means Deepak. And let me show you what these sandwiches are. Some bagels, some avocado, some tomatoes, some
Love.
love, some flaky salt, some cream cheese. People are camping. What a lovely spot for camping. And look at that monkey's shoes. That's what happens when you don't listen to your wife.
Monkeys don't wear shoes.
I told him, wear the hiking shoes. The rocks are going to hurt you much more than they are going to hurt me because I have good shoes, proper hiking shoes.
Ooh la 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 la, ooh la la. Ooh la la la,
Ooh la 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 la, ooh la la. Ooh la la la, ooh la la. Ooh la 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 la. Guys, if you would like to see the behind the scenes clips for this trail and for other trails that we have posted on our channel, follow us on Instagram. Moving relatively faster.
Yes, and the sunset is far from happening.
Yeah, but my snake count is 2.
Oh yeah, she found another snake. Surprisingly, usually her eyesight is not that great. But somehow she's watching like an eagle today. That's right.
I'm watching you guys if you don't subscribe. By the way, guys, have you seen our Hell's Canyon video? We probably said this phrase "hell yeah" a lot of times.
I think a lot is an understatement.
Yeah. But did we love saying that phrase?
Probably.
Hell yeah!
Still waiting for the sunset. And there's no sign of it yet. I guess now at this point we are pretty positive that we'll be reaching at the parking lot way before the sunset.
Way before dark.
Way before dark time, yes. Wow, the breeze feels really good. The sun is out there, but there's no heat.
Look at that man, he's doing something crazy for a photo.
So guys, a fun thing happened. The place where we were taking a photo shoot, we stopped there and I dropped my GoPro and we kept going after the shoot, and after about 15 minutes I realized that I had left my GoPro somewhere on the ground or dropped it, and so I came back and picked it up and now I'm going back. Oh man, that was additional 15 minutes of hike. But look at the sunset views. The sun is finally setting. About time.
Thanks to Deepak. He caused a 20-minute slowdown on this trail on the way back.
But Isn't this pretty?
Yeah.
At least you get to see the sunset. Look at the red sun rays passing through these trees. It looks so red. This kind of reminds me of the huh?
Bald Mountain.
Yeah, you got it. I was about to say the Bald Mountain hike was kind of similar to this. When we were heading back to the parking lot, it was almost sunset. So beautiful. So we finished this hike in about 4 hours, little more than 4 hours. But again, discounting the 20 minutes or 20 or so minutes that I had to, return back to that place to get my GoPro, it comes at around 3 hours, 40 minutes or 45 minutes roughly.
Amazing hike.
All right, and how much would you want to rate it? We're almost there at the parking lot, by the way.
Yeah. Let's see. 8 on 10.
8. All right. Where does this hike lose the 2 points?
Oh no, the trail is so rocky.
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I think I would strongly recommend like strong boots, like proper hiking boots and hiking poles, because there are some areas, especially in the beginning and the end, where it gets a little too steep. And a gentle reminder: you need a Discover Pass if you are planning to hike here.
Okay guys, so it is time to end the video, which means you got to do all the good stuff for us.
That's right.
Like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, leave us a comment, press the bell icon to get instant notifications, and we'll see you next week.